Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting element, how you can actually form a limited liability company in the state of California. Now, the reason why we make all these amazing videos for you guys is to give you a proper insight and a know-how of what legal liabilities that you tend to have. Obviously, if you're a first-time business owner and developer, an entrepreneur that's thinking about starting their business, then this is definitely a video for you, because what we're going to do is give you a complete step-by-step breakdown of exactly what information that you require to ensure that you can form a limited liability company in the state of California. The first thing that you need to do is head over to the state website. Now, as you can see on the state website, you would have the full information about the businesses, the notaries, the elections, the campaigns, and obviously the registries. Now, what we need to do is understand that this is the platform from where we can get all the information that we require. And obviously, forming a private limited company and forming a limited liability company for that matter is a very complicated and a tedious task. So let's just click on business and we'll go to the next page. On this page, as you can clearly see, you have the business entities that are available. As you can see on the left hand side, you have all the options available, from forming a business, filing the LLC statement, filing the corporation of statement information, doing the business search, doing the public traded discourse search, and obviously having the name reservation, as well as the form samples and fees. Now, one of the things I always mention to individuals is check the fee, because the fee is one of the most important elements that are available. Now, you can file a limited liability company in two ways. The first one obviously is filing it online, which is the fastest service, and the business entry filing can be submitted directly online as well, or you can file by mail or in person, and all the business form can be submitted exactly by mail or in person. You can locate your form as well. For example, if you're a corporation for domestic, if you're a corporation foreign, if you're doing a limited liability domestic or doing a limited liability foreign, you can click on it. We're going to go for the domestic one. Now, once you click on it, you'll be taken to the next page. Now, on this page, you'll clearly see one of the most important elements that are going to be available is going to be the elements that they actually require. For example, the first one is the formation of the article of organization. Now, this is the form for this, which I'm going to show you in a second. The second one is the statement of information, which is due within the 90 days of the initial registration and every 2 years after that. The cost for that is $20. Then you have the statement of information as well. Now, if you use the limited liability company has more than one manager or members, you need to finish and submit this. Then you have the effective days for the implementation of the AB 3075, which is $20. Certificate amendment is $30. Certificate amendment of name is $30. Restates of article organization is $30. And all these elements need to be completed for mergers, conversions, name reservations, and all the elements that are now available online. Now, if you want to check the forms out, all you need to do is click on this form over here for the PDF. Now, as you can see on the form, you have the full information that is required, from the instructions that are required, from the optional copies and certification fees, and obviously the information from the limited liability company name that you want to use, the business address that you have, the service of process, corporation, the management, and the purpose statement as well. Now, once you put all this information in, you can submit it. Now, obviously, guys, one of the things that you need to remember is that this is a very delicate work that needs to be done. And forming a limited liability company is not as simple, straightforward, and easy. You have to have an EIN number, which is the employer identification number. You have to have obviously all the right certifications and the right element of registration from the legal departments that are required in the state. And obviously, if you have multiple business in different states, then you have to make sure that there's no element of clash of interest between the different organizations. And obviously, what kind of business you're doing, you have legal ramifications for those as well. You have to be registered with the right tax number. So all this information needs to be developed and put in the right place. And it's for that reason I always recommend individuals that, especially if you're a first-time business developer, to always get the support, get the guidance, and get the assistance. And that is from the inkfile.com, which is the easiest way to set up and manage your business. Now, they've helped over 800,000 business owners since they have started in 2004. And if you want to register your company and make it official, they're there to help you. And if you want the right structure for your company, they can guide you the right way to get the right structure. And if you're a business and want to develop an LLC, you can help you manage your state compliances, and they can easily find you the right registered agent in the US. Because with Inkfile, the unique thing is that they've been doing this for so long that they understand exactly what the corners are and what bases they need to cover. Now, one of the things that I need to clarify in this video is the fact that a lot of individuals feel that's going to be a lot cheaper if they do it themselves. But the problem with that is that you won't be able to get the right guidance and support and assistance. If everything goes smooth, then you're fine. But if you face any walls or face any difficulties, then you will not have the right resources or the support that can help you overcome that difficulty. And if you use inkfile.com or have someone that understands this aspect better than you can ensure that everything is going to be done in the right way. Now, if you want to use Inkfile, all you need to do is click on Start My Business. Now, once you click on that, you'll be taken to the next page. On this page, you can select what kind of company information that you want. It could be an LLC, it's going to be the S corporation, the C corporation, or nonprofit. We're going to go with the LLC. After you do that, what we're going to do now is select the state that we want to actually form this LLC. And so we're going to go with California. Once we have selected that, then we'll have three options. The first is the silver, the second is gold, and the third is the platinum. The silver one is only for $5, which is the actual state fee of forming a limited liability company. The gold with the comprehensive features to get your business started is for $204, where the package fee is $199 and the state fee is $5. Now you might be thinking that why is the fact the state fee is so low? Now California is a very interesting state, guys, and one of the things I love about California is the fact that all their elements when it comes to legal elements is very well organized, and they've kept it at a very low cost, so you can easily form a limited liability company in the state of California compared to New York or Washington DC or Texas for that matter. If you want to go for the platinum one, you can easily go for the platinum one for $304, where the package fee is $299 and the state fee is $5. But the thing with platinum is the fact that it includes the business contract templates, free day next delivery filing, domain name, and they prepare and file the article of organization with unlimited name searches. You get free registered agent service for 1 year. You get your EIN business tax number. The IRS form 2553 is completed. You get your operating agreement and banking resolutions. You also have a lifetime company alerts with an online access dashboard, unlimited phone and email support, business bank account, and a business tax consultation. And the same thing goes with the fact that for the gold, you have a lot of comprehensive elements as well. Now, if you don't want to spend $299, I would recommend for you to go for the gold. I will not recommend silver because obviously there's nothing of importance that is available. As you can clearly see, you do not get an EIN number, which is a very tedious task to get. You do not get a completed form for your IRS and your taxation, which is also required. And there's a banking resolution and operating agreement that's not available either. So getting all this support and assistance at an early stage for any entrepreneur, any young business is very crucial, guys, because obviously once you have the right support and right guidance and right assistance, you can ensure that you're going to be on the right track of success, and you can focus on building your business in the right way, and you can let individuals that understand the legal side of matters to take hold and understand and execute them the way that needs to be executed. And that is one of the reasons why we make all these videos for you guys, to give you the right tips, the tricks, and the strategies and the methodologies that are required to help you scale your business. Now, there are a lot of individuals that have messaged and said that we want to speak to a lawyer, we want to speak to some human being directly, we don't want to go through this artificial intelligence or this computer-based element of Inkfile. And it's for that reason I have included LegalZoom.com. Now, this is a website which can get you the legal help that you require. Their DIY service and attorney advice is absolutely brilliant because they give you the right element. They've helped more than 2 million businesses develop themselves, and they have helped 650,000 consultations to individuals. Now, it has a simple flat fee that's available. There's no hourly charges, there's no surprises, and if you want to start your LLC, you can easily use this service. All you need to do is scroll right up to the start, and once you reach over there, you'll see this icon. Just click on it, then search for the state that you want to find your legal attorney in. So we're going to do it for California. Once we search for California, you'll see that we have all the information from attorneys, services, company, educations. So we're going to click on attorney. Now, once we do that, we'll be able to see all the attorneys that are available in the state of California. And once you click on any individuals, it will open up on the next video where you have the information about who this individual is, what kind of practices that they have, what is information about them, and obviously what their professional background is. And the best thing is that what are the customer reviews of this individuals. And this is one of the things I love about this website, because they give you a complete breakdown of who this individual is, what kind of work they've been doing, what they have been interested in, and if you want to speak to them or not. And all you need to do is click on get advice, and once you do that, you'll be able to register a time with this particular lawyer, speak to them, and discuss your matters with them. they'll be able to help you, guide you, support you, assist you in any manner possible. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you with any questions that you might have for us. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.